Hi, I'm Carl with MachLabs. I want to do a quick overview of the new modern UI user interface on MachPro. Right now, I have the MachJet installed on this, and I'm just going to talk through some of the big overview points. A lot of the screens have similarities, but everyone's designed for that machine type. So whether it's Waterjet or router or mill or lathe or whatever, plasma, we have the machine all pre-set up. And so over here, I'll just start by loading a file. You can see loading, closing files is right there. Here's my live toolpath. As I'm running a part, I can actually see what is cutting. You can see the motion. You can see my DROs going right there. So you've got your controls here, your cycle start, feed hold, cycle stop right here. So if I wanted to feed hold right now in my part, obviously I probably damaged it on the Waterjet to do that, but I'm going to just go ahead and continue to run like that. As it's running, I'll just go ahead and show a little bit more. There are a couple things if you want some more options like dry run or single block. So there's some other part counter functions here that are normally hidden. You can expand those at any point. So I'll just go ahead and expand those. And then over here, we've got our DROs, the active modals, your feed rate, your active feed rate right here. And then this is your jet settings, your pierce delay, your abrasive percentage, your pressure. Depending on your machine, you may or may not have some of those. You could have up to 8 different stations. Right now, I just have 1 station enabled on this machine. But I'm going to go ahead and just jog right here. You can jog on the screen like this, step jog. You can modify your rates. Got manual pump buttons or jet buttons that I can use to turn on. And if I go to fixtures, here's where I could just zero one axis. I could manually go in and set a work offset, or into service. We've got a bunch of homing and more advanced functionality. Machine IO, you've got all of your limits like the live state. I can just double click on my laser output to be able to see the current status of it. But very simple, easy to navigate between the screens. This is MachPro. We hope you enjoy. Thanks so much.